To connect Phantom Wallet to Pump Fun, start by ensuring you have the Phantom Wallet extension installed on your browser. If not, download and install it from the official Phantom website. Once installed, click on the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar and select Create New Wallet or use an existing one. If creating a new wallet, save your seed phrase securely and set up a strong password. Next, go to the Pump Fun website and click on the Connect Wallet button. Select Phantom from the list of available wallets and you will be redirected to the Phantom Wallet extension. In the Phantom Wallet extension, review the connection request and click Connect to authorize the connection between Phantom Wallet and Pump Fun. After connecting, you will be redirected back to the Pump Fun website where you can now access your Phantom Wallet balance and interact with the platform. To ensure a secure connection, always verify the website URL and Phantom Wallet extension before connecting. And never share your seed phrase or password with anyone. By following these steps, you can easily connect your Phantom Wallet to Pump Fun and start exploring the platform's features and functionality. Remember to always prioritize security and safety when interacting with cryptocurrency wallets and online platforms. It is also recommended to familiarize yourself with Phantom Wallet's features and settings, such as transaction notifications and wallet locking, to enhance your overall experience and security. By taking the time to understand how to connect your Phantom Wallet to Pump Fun, you can enjoy a seamless and secure experience on the platform.